second lesson for the harvest of total restoration is taken from the Gospel of St. Matthew. Matthew, the 13th chapter, we'll read from verse 24 to 30. Matthew 13, we'll commence reading from verse 24 to 30. It reads thus. Another parable he proposed to them, saying, the king of heaven is likened unto a man that sowed good seeds in his field. But while men are asleep, his enemy came and oversowed cockle among the wheat and went his way. And when the blade was sprung up and had brought forth fruit, then appeared also the cockle. And the servants of the good man of the house coming said to him, Sir, didst thou not sow good seed in thy field? Whence then hadst it cockle? 28. And he said to them, an enemy had done this. And the servant said to him, wilt thou that we go and gather it up? And he said, no, lest perhaps gathering up the cockle, you root up the wheat also together with it. I started the last verse. So are both to grow until the harvest. And in the time of the harvest, I will say to the reapers, gather up first the cockle, and bind it into bundles to burn. But the wheat gather ye into my barn. Here end the second reading. The Lord bless the reading and the hearing. Amen.